Larry Warden. For the first time ever, I went and bought an action camera. I decided on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. I bought it through Best Buy online in Canada for $379. It didn't come with a bundle, so I had to go out and buy some basic accessories. And this is what I'd like to show you in this video. Some of the basic accessories I bought to get myself up and running with my first GoPro camera. The first thing I realized I would need would be a SanDisk card. So I found this at Walmart, this 128 gigabyte extreme SanDisk card for $40 Canadian. I think I'll go and buy another one to make sure I have lots of storage. And while I was there, I bought the Vivitar memory card reader where you can put your microchip inside, plug it into your computer, and download your media. I tried transferring photos and videos through the GoPro app. It can be done, but it's very slow and cumbersome. So I strongly suggest you get a memory card reader. Another thing I realized earlier in the week when I was out videoing, after about an hour and a half, the GoPro battery goes flat. So I knew I needed more battery power. So I went online and I found the GoPro Charger, which comes with one battery for $69 Canadian on Amazon. I also purchased a second battery for another $25. So now I'll have two batteries charged up all the time and ready to go. So batteries shouldn't be a problem. I do a lot of biking, and that's another reason I bought my GoPro camera. So I wanted a bicycle mount. I found this on Amazon. It's called the Parapace bicycle mount. It only sells for $20 and it works great. It's very solid. I've already put it on my bike and tried it, and it adjusts, so I think it would fit most handlebars, and it seems quite solid. Another thing I realized I would need would be a suction cup mount for my GoPro camera. I did some research through Best Buy and Amazon, and the GoPro one sold for $59, and I know it's very reputable. But I found this one, a Soup Tig one, which sold for $25, so I thought I'd order it and just try it. And I tell you, after a week, I'm very pleased. It has a great suction cup, first of all, and it doesn't fall off the windshield or the dash, and so I'm very pleased with the solidness of it. And it also comes with a great variety of connections, almost every different type of connections you would need to mount your GoPro camera on the Soup Tig mount comes with it. So I strongly recommend that. Again, it's only $25 on Amazon. My favorite accessory I bought in the first week was the GoPro Shorty. This is a great little grip, and the camera easily connects on to the Shorty stick, and there's a screw that goes in there too, which is very solid. I'm not going to put it in right now. So it's a great grip, and it also extends. So you've got a kind of a selfie stick, but also you use it for different angles to shoot your video. But what I like about it the best, the legs pop out and it becomes a tripod. So this is fantastic. I've used it as a webcam too on my little tripod, and you can extend it up. So I strongly recommend the Shorty stick. It sells for $49 Canadian on Amazon or through Best Buy. And that's my favorite accessory so far, for the grip and for the little tripod stand. So I hope you have found this video helpful of some of the basic accessories you can get or need when you first get up and going with a GoPro camera. I hope you found this video helpful, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing many more videos on the GoPro as I get it up and running and have more experience with it. Thanks for watching.